In this video, we'll try to understand how to query the data using Amazon Athena. So right now I am in Amazon console. So I'll go to S3 here and I will try to upload the data. So first we need to create a bucket here. So I will say a source bucket. So I'll try to create the bucket here. So after creating the bucket, we need to upload the data here. So I will go and upload some data that I have created. So here I have one table over here. So person. So I will upload this particular file. So here we can see that person.csv. So the format is CSV here, and I will upload this particular file. So it will take some time. So after creating this bucket, source bucket, now I will create the destination bucket. So I will go and create a destination bucket. So here I will say destination bucket 2023. So you can give whatever name you want. So this is basically created whenever Amazon Athena is executed. The results of the query will be sent to this particular bucket. So after creating this bucket, we will go to the Amazon Athena and we'll try to understand further. So what I'm going to do is I will go for Amazon Glue. So Amazon is integrated with Amazon Glue here. So using this Amazon Glue, we will create a database as well as we create the table. So I am in Amazon Glue over here. So what I will do is I will try to create a crawler. So I'll go for data catalog, and under this we have a crawler. So I'll click on this thing. So I will go and say create crawler. So the name of the crawler, so whatever name you want you can give. So I'll say next. So we need to create a data source, so we need to say add data source here. So this is from S3 and S3 path. So I need to give the path of the S3, so where the data is located in the source bucket. So click on this particular bucket here and say choose. So after this say slash. So after this add the an S3 data source. So we are trying to add this particular S3 data source. Say next. So choose the IAM role. So create some role here. So I will say AWS role 2023. So after this I will try to create a role here. The role is not existing, so I need to create the role. So I will say 2024, something like this, and I will choose over here. So say next. Choose the database. So create a database over here. So I'll say my new database. So create the database. So after this we just choose the database over here. I will say next. So the crawler is set up over here. So run this particular crawler. So run this particular crawler. So you can see that the crawler is running. So wait for some time. One table is created over here. So go for the tables, and this particular table, just refresh this. So the new table is created. What is the name of the new table? Source bucket 2023, and click on this table data, proceed for this. So it will go to the Athena here, Athena query editor, and here I will choose the database. So here it is my new DB. So now I try to query from this particular uh, table. So I need to query from this particular table. So these are the no output location is provided. So we need to provide the output location, go to the settings and go to the manage. And here I need to choose this browse S3 and choose the destination bucket and just choose these things and save these things. And so after this, we'll go to the editor and run the query. So we'll get the results. So these are the results that are there in this particular file. So the file contains these many records and I am successfully able to query. So how to change the limits here? So if I change the limits, so only 5 records are displayed. Only 5 records are displayed. If I say limit is 2, just run this limit is 2, only 2 records are displayed. Suppose say I say where age is greater than 30 or age is greater than 50. So if I say like this, so what will be the results? So these are the results. So you can see that the results are the age is greater than 50 over here. So in this way I can get only the results where the age is greater than 50. So where we can also change the marks is greater than 50, we can say, and run the query. So it will display the marks. So in this way I can execute this using the query editor. So if you want to delete this table, you can go to the AWS Glue again and I'll go to the crawler and I'll try to remove this, go and delete this, and again go to the database and delete this particular database. If you delete the database, the table under this particular database will be deleted. So the table is also going to be deleted. So in this way I can create the table and I can also I can also able to execute the queries. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching this video.